So finally, some great news today in our mortgage update. We've had a wonderful week in the bond market, all due to the fact that bad news is good news for mortgage rates, and there was a lot of bad news. Today's employment number was not good. New jobs created, they were around 114,000. They did backward revisions on previous job numbers, and also unemployment ticked up 0.2, which is a pretty big jump. It hasn't jumped that much. With this news, the Fed did come out a couple days ago and say that there's a very good chance of the first rate cut on the Fed funds in September. It could be 1/4 up to 0.5% on the Fed fund rate cut in September. They've been keeping them higher for longer to try to tame inflation, but they have to balance not putting us into a recession. So we should start seeing some relief. We are pricing in the mortgage rates right now, the fact that they will probably cut these rates. They're saying it's 100% probability in September. We are already pricing that in. So in September, when they do actually cut the rate, that's not going to drop the rate 1/4% or 0.5%. The rates are starting to move right now, and they don't go like 1/4% drop in September doesn't mean it's 1/4% today, but the rates are getting lower. For example, on our 30-year fixed, let's say paying 0.5 point, you're in the low 6s. Same with the 15-year fixed, you're in the low 5s paying 0.5 point. For example, on a VA loan, you're in the upper 5s, mid to upper 5s with no fees. A jumbo 30-year fixed, you're in the low 6s. We have not seen rates this low since January of this year. So we did start this year out at a lower point, then we escalated again. Now we've come back down to where we were at the beginning of the year. Obviously, more bad news, worse unemployment numbers will equal rates starting to recover in 2025. So if you do have a loan that you've done in the past, year, you may want to reach out to me and I can find out if we can lower your rate and your payment and even maybe get rid of your PMI. So if you have any questions on where the market is, please give me a call.
Remember, I'm here for all your mortgage needs. While I do renovation lending, I also do move-in ready. So if you're unsure whether you want to get a fixer-upper or a move-in ready, I can handle both. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more news, market updates, and opportunities to save money.